a piece of the sword, bro. Doesn't matter.
Go, Lasso.
Yeah.
I want to do that.
Oh, yeah.
That's a good spot. Let's just set up camp over there.
Yeah, Miller's horse too. Yeah. Not many people come here. Yeah.
Hey, what are you guys doing here?
We're sent on a quest to find the princess. Yeah.
I hope you. I know that they will.
Okay. Let's set up camp. Let's set up camp.
Join us.
Let's start a fire. That's right. I got him.
Oh, look!
Throw the knife! Throw the knife!
He's being chased!
I got this one. Let's go eat him at camp. Let's go eat him at camp. Come on, let's go.
It's so fake.
Oh, us. Wanna go to the house? Whoa, what is that? It's shiny. It's one of the princess's hair comb.
It is. It's a hair comb.
She must have busted it on her way.
Can I see it? Oh, sorry.
Let's go back to camp.
Let's go back to camp and look at it.
Yeah. In the fire.
I wonder what the princess is doing right now.
Get up in that tree. Now. Up, girl. That's right. You better be scared.
Look away for a minute. Go get the bear.
We did it. It's not very smart. Can I see that? Watch. It's like we're shaving.
I'm recording.
I do.
No,
Hey.
you gotta think of where the princess was. Wait, which way was that pointing?
Oh, that's a good idea.
Let's go.
She probably thought of that too.
Yeah, I've been thinking about that for a long
Where was it?
time.
There's a mark, right?
Right here. It's pointing that way. We see two little dots,
Yeah, look.
dots in the tree. See two little dots.
Whoa, we see trees. There's trees over there.
Let's go. You guys, once night falls, we're gonna go over there and we're gonna go. Wake up, Philip. Wake up.
Oh, wake up.
Wake up, Philip. Let's go. We gotta go. We have a big day to flip. Let's go.
Oh man.
Let's start. Let's start.
Let's go. Come on, Philip.
Philip.
Let's
Let's
go.
go.
Yeah, see where's the knife pointer?
Yeah. We need food.
It's a cherry tree.
Cheers. Princess's camera.
Really?
Yeah, let's go. Let's turn it on. Guys, I have to get cherries. That's the fort we saw over there.
It is?
Yes.
The fort that the big tree that looked like a tiny dot?
Yeah.
Oh, there. A bracelet.
What is your bracelet?
Hey, you. Here's your dinner. Y'all better take nothing. I'm not gonna hit him. Get over here. Get up there.
Darling!
Up, girl, up. Get up!
You stupid! Yeah!
Come on, get down, let's go.
Come on, come on, come on! Run! Sucker. This one. The gangster, he just took me across the yard, well, all the landfills, and he put me up in that tree, and he said, "Don't you dare do this." And then he grabbed his knife and he cut me to make sure whenever he sees me, he knows it's me.
Here's the dead body. The body, queen. Here's the body, queen.
Thank you. Thank you for all your help.
Thank you for all your help. And thank you for your help. Even though you didn't.
The logs are my idea.
Cut your hair.